Turn up to this one. Customer said they got a dripping tap. They definitely weren't lying. How annoying is that? So I'm going to get the tap changed, turn the isolations off underneath. I know the plumbing police will be like, why didn't you change the cartridge? He didn't know which tap it was. I didn't know which tap it was. Be quicker and easier just to change the tap. So undo the flexies. Try not to get water everywhere like that. But there's a little bucket there, which is great. Undo the next one. Then whip out your Narad Tools tap changing kit. Makes changing taps almost fun, to be fair. Unscrew that flexi out of the way because it's getting on my nerves. Pick the size you need, put the ratchet on and just undo it like that. Nice and easy. Once you get it to a certain amount, you got to use your finger just to spin it down, take it off and then pull the tap out. Easy as that. And clean up the hole with some wipes and then thread the new one back down. Then you're going to work in reverse, so you're going to put the nut back on and you're going to tighten it up with your tap spanner. Once that's tight, you're going to make your flexies fit. That one's going to do a nice little curl. You don't want to go mad. Little nip up is all you need. It's a rubber washer, remember. Once you're happy, flathead screwdriver, open the isolations back up again. Hopefully you won't get wet. Then I'm going to head up and I'm going to open a tap like I've never seen one before. Joking aside, it does help get the air out, to be fair. Plus you want to check you've piped it the right way around as well. So hot on the left, cold on the right. Then you give the customer a call and then you show them how a tap works like they've never seen one before as well. And then you both look at the tap and go, yeah, nice. And then you close it all up again and that's it. Another one done. Happy days.